Hello everyone, this is Trayman1993 here, and today, like I said on my last vid, I was going to show you the winter 2019 through 2020 menards catalog here. Some nice cool new stuff here. Here's the UFO scene for HO and O gauge. Duplex, Starbucks, Menardsville train station, nuclear power facility, American minerals plant, Better Slash and Door Company, and the bus maintenance facility. Some cool buildings like good stuff like that red barn and the world headquarters. Here's fire station number 12 right here. I thought it was pretty looking interesting here. Just like the same old stuff here. Here's the Pepsi plant here and the Morton Salt plant thingy. Quaker Steak and Lube, very nice. There's a Taco Bell, Piggly Wiggly there. There's some containers, bridge, railroad signs, and trees and stuff for your layout. Some power supply stuff here, including the billboards. Some nice cool cars here. Very interesting. And trucks as well. Here's some flat cars. Right here. And the other one, and including this container car right there. And the auto rack one. Here's some hopper cars here. Some of them are just new, some of them are just pretty used over the years though, or something. There's tank cars. Very nice. Boxcars. Weathered freight cars here, like boxcars. And some military rolling stock here though, guys. And here's the back right here for the tubular track there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Take care and have a good one. And also, I do also have an Xbox One here. So, very interesting. Have a good weekend. And we'll see you on the next vid. For the Youngstown Motor Railroad Association Club. Peace out, guys.